sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
One thing I do get asked time to time is, how do you make the trigger so sensitive? Like, how do you just touch it and it wants to fire? Well, this is how. So either out of the blaster or in the blaster. You can do this for AEGs as well with these types of triggers, it doesn't really matter. This unit in particular, it's got a very tactile switch for the trigger, so I'm not actually going to plug the FCU in, but that is the other way that I would normally do it with, say, like a jack or an F2. So what I like to do is go right up until the click, so now I can feel it. You can see that little movement there, so I'll adjust up to that. The backstay, I like to do it just before it ends its motion, or in this case when it does end its motion. It just stops you from breaking the switch in there, or potentially your MOSFET or trigger board. So yeah, I'll quickly do that and then show you what it's like. Now I got that adjusted. Any positive pressure on that trigger and it pretty much snaps on. You can see it's firing and you can hear the Mac valve solenoids going off.